The graph of the derivative f prime of t of f of t is shown. Compute the total change of f of t over the interval -1, 2. The total change of f of t given f prime of t is the definite integral from a to b. In this case, a is -1 and b is 2 of f prime of t dt. But the graph of f prime of t is given. So to evaluate this definite integral, we simply find the area between the curve and the horizontal x-axis. The goal is to find the area between the curve and the horizontal x-axis. Because of this, we will strategically divide this shaded regions into 3. The first region is a triangle, the second region is a triangle, and the third region is also a triangle. There is no formula to compute the entire combined regions at once. Remember that any region above the horizontal x-axis is considered positive. Any area below the x-axis is considered negative. Remember that the area of the triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. The area of the first triangle, we call it a sub 1, is 1/2. The base is from -1 to 0, so the base is 1. The height is from the x-axis all the way to 1, so the height is 1. So the area is 1/2. For the second triangle, we label the area a sub 2 equals 1/2. The base is 1 from 0 to 1, and the height is 0.5. 0.5 is 1/2, so this area 2 is 1/4. And for the last area, we call it a sub 3. The area of the triangle is 1/2. The base is 0.5. This is the base, and each of these square has a unit of 0.5 because 2 squares would give us a distance of 1, so 1 square is 1/2. And so the area is 1/2 times the base is 1/2, and the height is also 1/2. Base, height. This is 1/8. But remember that anything above the x-axis is positive, anything below the x-axis is negative. And so the integral from -1 to 2 of f prime of t dt equals positive 1/2 plus minus 1/4 plus minus 1/8, or simply put 1/2 minus 1/4 minus 1/8. The common denominator is 8, so we multiply 4 to the first fraction, multiply 2 to the second fraction, and we get 4 minus 2 minus 1, or 1/8. From 1 to 1.5, the graph, the functional value is y equal to 0, so there's no area, so we ignored it.